I am getting ready to not hand wash. I'm getting ready to wash this shirt for the first time. I am turning it inside out and I'm washing it with other clothes. I'm not just doing a wash all by itself because it's wash day. So I'll let you know how it turns out. I'm just gonna wash it with my regular cycle of clothes and I'm gonna wash it in warm water. Sorry if you hear dogs barking in the background, but I am going to find this shirt in here and take it out and put it in the dryer. All right, I found it. This is what it looks like. Let's see, that's my dog in the background. Let's see what it's going to look like when I take it out. It looks kind of distressed. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, so this is how the shirt looks after being washed one time. I did use fabric softener because I always use fabric softener, and I dried it just with a regular load of clothes. I didn't do it separately like I typically do with other wash updates. So you can see it. It looks very, very distressed. But I still like it. I still think it looks really nice. I'm going to show you one that has not been washed so we can compare. So this shirt has not been washed. It was done with the same process. And now that I look at it, they pretty much look the same. So I'm moving over. This one has black sleeves. The one that has been washed has blue sleeves. So this is the one that has been washed. It has been washed one time. This one, black sleeves, has not been washed. Okay. Come up close to it. Same picture, same process, sublimation on with the DTF hack. So I use my sublimation printer, my Epson EcoTank 2760 with the DTF powder. And this is the difference. I hope this helps.